Whenever you get ready to film something, do you think about what you want to film, or you just go and shoot so you have a forever lasting memory? If you're one of those people who think about what they want to shoot, stick around for this. It's very important to think about what you want to film before you actually start filming. And also, it's very important to think about the editing style that you will want to use after you're done with filming. When you pre-plan the shoot before actually filming, and for home type of videos it only takes a couple of minutes, it opens up the door for better transitions. And all it takes is only a quick swipe of your camera before filming. And all you have to do is this. If you want to film something this direction, click record and have your phone like this. Then have a quick pan, keep filming and pan it that way. If you pre-plan before shooting, it allows you to have smooth transitions without even having to add them to your video.
Once you imported all the videos to your project, we can start editing. Here you see my project workspace. Scroll the timeline so the object you were filming leaves the frame and camera whip starts. Then just make a cut and delete the excess footage. Usually it's enough to keep 4 frames before and after the object appears in the frame. I won't speed up this video in order to show you exactly how and where I make the cuts. You make cuts by selecting a video and clicking on split function at the bottom. All my videos are filmed by starting with a whip from left to right and finishing the video by whipping to the right. This helps me to create an illusion that the video is going in circles, and all the transitions in between the clips stay smooth. If you want to mix things up, just remember to start the next video with the direction you finished the previous one. If you finished by whipping up, then start by whipping from the bottom. I filmed all these videos in 5 minutes and it took me 4 minutes to edit. Of course, there could be much more work done while doing this video, like working on better camera angles or how shaky all the footage is, but it works well for this example purpose. This should let you know that your videos can look much better than this one. And, as per usual, you can delete the Capcut's watermark, which is at the end of your timeline. I really hope you found this video helpful and easy to follow. make sure to check the channel for more videos like this. And as always, I'll see you next time.